Okay, here we are in Anand Nagar, an amazing community of people. 40,000 slum homes around in this community, and there are people of every walk of life. There are small businesses, there's even some studios here, there are tailoring shops. This is an amazing community where almost 100,000 people live in the ground space of something not more than about three football fields. And we did our initial research here in Anand Nagar.
Absolutely. We did needs and situational analysis, and it was really interesting to talk to the community and find out what they really needed. So we're meeting their needs.
And they said they needed an English medium primary school, right?
That's right. So we've launched the Dream Center with the school and all the other things that go along with the Dream Center. It's going to be serving this community here. So right now in this area we have 40,000 homes.
Wow.
It's our first Dream Center, and we have the next Dream Center. We've started the needs analysis.
That's right.
That's going to be brilliant. That has over 100,000 homes.
And that's in Indira Nagar, which is just down the road from here.
That's about 10-15 minutes drive from here. And you know, that has hundreds of thousands of people.
That's
because
right.
each home will have at least 4 or 5 people.
Yeah.
So that's brilliant to be able to do that.
What I love is the community really loves the school and the Dream Center. It's only about 2 months since we've been going. We're in our 3rd month now, and we had a Parents Teachers Day, and the parents were telling us how much they appreciated the quality of the classroom, the quality of the teaching, the opportunity that we were giving their kids to learn in English, and we have good English teachers.
And it was their dream to educate their kids in a really great environment. So we're really helping them, and we're helping the kids dream.
That's
to
right.
look beyond their circumstances and know there's a world out there, a world of opportunity, that they don't have to be limited by their circumstances. They can dare to dream, and dreams really do come true.
मैंने सोचा कि मैं अपने बच्चे को इस स्कूल में डालेंगे तो हमारे बच्चे का भविष्य भी अच्छा जाएगा, हमारे लिए भी अच्छा रहेगा, हमारा बच्चा अच्छे से पढ़ेगा, उसका कैरेक्टर अच्छा सुधरेगा। स्कूल में हमको सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है। हमारे बच्चे का पढ़ाई भी अच्छा है, उसकी भाषा भी अच्छी है, उसकी शैली में भी सुधार आ रहा है।
जो यहाँ से सीख के जाती वही घर पे क्वेश्चन मम्मा पापा से करती है। जितना भी सीख के जाती सब मम्मा पापा से करती है, नींद में भी यही करती रहती है।
I think one of the key requirements in India is quality education, and I think at Life we have embarked on this amazing project to provide quality education with high quality curriculum to just go down right to those who need it so much, and I'm sure they're going to be blessed by what the Dream Center here has in store for all these kids.
It is by far comparable with anything that is available to the privileged lot in Bombay.
When Ian and Naomi approached me to design the logo for Dream Center, I was totally excited because I'm a graphic designer and that's the best way that I can contribute.
We are thinking of bringing in education about computers to these people, and as we would all agree that computers is the basics.
And the education that the children will enjoy at the Dream Center would be both education for the mind as well as the spirit.
We've been really so blessed the way in which people have connected with the whole dream of the Dream Center. People have volunteered their time, they've given their intellect, they've given their gifts and talents in helping us to get it started. People were involved with helping with the design of the Dream Center, with actually even the building work, with the design work, the creatives, even now shooting the film. We've got people involved from Life on that, and even the curriculum folks from Life got completely stuck in working hard to set the curriculum down. And really that has been fantastic.
Absolutely.
Just having everyone involved in helping this dream to come through. And I know without everyone working together, we could never have achieved this dream. So thank you everybody for everything that you've done. And we appreciate Anik and Andrea partnering with us on this, and everyone else that's involved to make this dream
A reality.
true. It's the Dream Center coming real.